guys, welcome back to my channel. And I have used at least like 4 or 5 products of, or more than 4 or 5 products of Juicy Chemistry some years back, maybe two years back or 3 years back maybe, and I've made videos too on that, and I really truly love those products. They were two of oils, night oil, and then there was one day oil. I remember that was the oil that used to give you sunscreen too. And then there was a hair mask, mango butter hair mask, and then I had their eye cream, and also one oil which was truly amazing. The fragrance was really out of this world. So I have used quite a lot of products of Juicy Chemistry, and I really loved all those products. So now after 2 years or 3 years, I have ordered their anti-aging जो पूरा फेस का था स्किन केयर, आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड दैट. और उसमें आई गॉट आई थिंक 4 or 5 products or more than 4 or 5 products, and all together it was on sale, so all together it was like 4,000, around 4,000 for all the products. So now it has been more than 15 days that I've been using regularly their products, and I thought I would share my honest opinion about all the products that I'm using. First, let me show you what are the products, and let me tell you, I put it on my Insta right away after 2 days of using those products, and my skin was really feeling amazing. So that was my first impression of using the products, and now this is the review after using for 15 days. So let's begin. Let me just show you the product first. This is the Damask Rose and Coffee Organic Eye Cream. So this is how it has come. All the products have come in glass bottle, and they are first eco certified from France. So that is why I was really truly dying to use their products for anti-aging, because I'm 46 now, so I thought very religiously I have to start my anti-aging regime. So this is the first product. This is their eye cream, and the second product is, this is the day oil, and it is their 100% organic saffron and red raspberry oil. So this is how the packaging is. The third product that I got was a face scrub, and this is a saffron rose and Australian sandalwood face scrub. And I really didn't pay attention when I was ordering those products, because the day oil I got 30 ml, and the night oil I got, that is 10 ml. Scrub I got is the bigger pack, and the face pack that I got is the smaller pack. This is the night time oil, facial oil, which is 100% organic kakadu, plum and pomegranate oil. This is for night time. And this is their face mask, which is kakadu, plum, matcha and blood orange. So these are the products, and one thing that I'm missing is the their green apple water, which is the toner. This I always keep it in fridge because right now it is summer, so it gives you that refreshing feeling. So that is why I always keep it in fridge. I have used quite a bit. I think it's up to here now, so I'm using it like 2-3 times in a day. First of all, I didn't like that they have not written directions to use or not on the bottles or the the product itself. So here you will just see the name of the product, and they've written whatever, like no preservative and all that. That information is there, but directions for use is not there on the product itself. That you can see on the boxes, on the outer packaging, that you see directions for use. This is something I think they should keep in mind, that the directions to use should be on the product itself, because in the beginning you don't know how to really use the product, that the face mask that they say that first wash your face with hot water or warm water and then use the product, and then wash your face with cold water. So I think that all info should also be on the product itself. Now when we come to products individual, I have used these all of these two times, because these are all face mask and face scrub is to be used once or twice in a week. So that is why I've used them 2 or 3 times to the most. But the overall impact on my skin is not that good. I know I have read somewhere that if you change to organic products in the beginning, I've read that in reference to hair, that your hair will go through a transition period. They'll be dry in the beginning, you won't like the product, but gradually your scalp will get used to it. I am thinking that is what is happening with the skin product too. But when I use all these products 2 years back or 3 years back, that was not the case at all. So since I'm using all these products, my first of all, my skin is not sensitive skin, or it's not dry at all. It's combination skin, it's perfectly fine. I don't have wrinkles and anything, and I just love the way my skin was earlier. Whatever product I was using Wow products mostly, and my skin was really loving all those products. But since I've changed or switched to Juicy Chemistry products, I felt that my skin feels really dry, and I hate that feeling. And specifically, I'll tell you what I like about the product. The best in all that I like, that I feel the difference around my eyes. It hydrates the my under eyes, and it hydrates the skin around the eyes perfectly. So I like this product the best. And the only thing I think all the eye products should be roll on, because then we are not using our fingers to use them. So this little awkward to put your finger in, because I have nails too, bigger nails, so it's really awkward to dig in and take the product and then use it on the eyes. But I really am liking this. My biggest problem is with the day oil. Whenever I use this, I don't know what the fragrance is or something that really bothers me, and it feels very heavy on my face. I feel a little bit like having headache whenever I use this oil, and I'm only using like just 1 drop or sometimes 1.5 drop of oil, and I mix it with their toner that I have. So toner does not have any kind of fragrance, so it doesn't bother me at all. Toner itself, you won't know right away if the toner is working or not, but it it's just a toner. It doesn't have a fragrance. You won't know right away if it's working or not. But overall, the products are giving me very dry skin, and actually my skin was really dry here around the nose, and I had to stop using Juicy Chemistry products for 1 or 2 days, and I use my Wow products, and I use my DIYs to just get rid of that dry skin. Otherwise the skin was really dry, like I used to see it like it was all white here. So I really did not like that. Face wash is this is the Saffron, Marula and Yang Lang face wash. This is for dry to normal skin, but I'll tell you one thing, this makes my skin very dry, and no matter how much I try to like all these products, but they are really very drying for my skin. And this also has a very peculiar smell that I really don't like. The smell is not really sitting right with me. I don't know why these products are making my skin so dry, because I don't think कि anti-aging products आपकी skin को इतना dry करना चाहिए, because when your skin is that dry, then wrinkles will show up. So I don't know if the skin is still going through transition period or what, but I really did have a lot of expectations, and that's why I ordered products worth 4,000 rupees even after that was on sale. I thought they will work wonderfully, in first 1 or 2 days were really good. The night oil is okay, it doesn't have any kind of that smell that bothers me. So night oil is okay, but overall when I wake up in the morning, I don't feel that my skin is very nourished or hydrated. That feeling I'm not getting at all with this oil. And all of this skincare regime, I think I'm missing the serum because I'm very used to using serums, and I think this anti-aging regime is missing that part. Now we have the scrub, which is a saffron, rose and Australian sandalwood. So all you have to do, you have to just mix it with the with anything that you want, and I do mix it with Juicy Chemistry's rose water. And I have to say one thing really good about this product, that when you mix it, you can really see a lot of saffron in this. So the powder looks like this, and the saffron in it is really you can see the saffron. You just take I just take a little amount of it, but even in that amount I can see like 3 or 4 strands of saffron. That is really commendable that they have used. I'm sure the quality of saffron is good, but a lot of saffron is there. You can really see saffron there. And this product, I think this whenever I use this, I feel the hydration on my skin. The face mask, I don't think this does too much for my skin, because it's really not a face mask. This is also, the instructions were to just use it as a scrub. I thought this will be a face mask, so I got really disappointed with that this also has to be used like a face scrub, like you put it on and then you scrub, and like after 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I forgot exactly how much time they've written, but you have to just wash it off. So you're not keeping that for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes like a real face pack like we do normally. When I'm using all these products for the past 15 days, I'm really disappointed because I'm not feeling that that glow. I'm not feeling my skin really being nourished or hydrated, and that is something bothering me. So sometime even today I went back to using my Wow products because I do feel that they're working better for my skin. My skin is better nourished and hydrated. Even though I really do want to like Juicy Chemistry products, I know they're organic, they'll be good for my skin, but just the just the overall impact on my skin is not good, even though I really am trying, and I'm not giving up on trying to like all these products. So this is my honest review about Juicy Chemistry product, and if you guys are using any of these products, please do share with me how you are liking the products, and maybe after the transition period I might like it. I might start liking all those products, but for right now I'm very disappointed. So that's all for my review, guys. Bye.